When I was 10 years old, I went to a private boarding school in Sussex in England. And the highlight of that year was Sports Day. And the highlight of Sports Day was the half mile for 10-year-olds. Now, my mother had given a trophy for the fastest boy. I didn't make the cut, I wasn't in the race. But because my mother donated a trophy, the headmaster put me in the race. So there I was, the 16th runner in a 15-person race. Way back then, it was 4 times around the track. Everyone was lined up, the gun went off. The first lap, I was where I should be, 16th position. Except out of the corner of my eye, I could see my mother and my father and my grandmother, and I said to myself, you better get your butt in gear. At the end of the second lap, I was now in 9th position, and my parents were yelling enthusiastic comments to me to win this race or to excel in this race. At the end of the third lap, I was now in 4th position. I looked out of the corner of my eye, I could see my mother and my grandmother and my father yelling and encouraging some words for their son and grandson to win this race. And miracles of miracles, I won that race, and I was presented by the headmaster my mother's trophy, which I still have today, some 50 years later. And what it taught me was that if you're going to excel, you're not necessarily going to win every race, but you have to be a participant. You have to be in the race. You're not going to win anything unless you're involved, unless you're actively involved as a participant. I won that race. I've won lots of races since, but I've failed lots of times. You will win nothing unless you're involved in it. Make it a great day.
Like and subscribe to Peter Legge. For more insights, log on to peterlegge.com.